Most people miss relieving knee pain because they skip key steps in their daily routines. I'll share a system to ease discomfort naturally. No invasive treatments needed. Want to move freely and feel vibrant? If you're curious about leveling up your health, the Biohacking Elite community for vibrant living is worth a look. Check the link in the description below. Let's explore 7 proven strategies to fix knee pain, understand its causes, and natural remedies and supplements starting today. Knee pain hits millions, making daily tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or sitting a struggle. It comes from things like osteoarthritis, wear and tear, injuries like meniscus tears or ligament strains, overuse from repetitive motions, or inflammation from conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis. Extra weight, weak muscles, or poor posture can make it worse. About 1 in 4 adults deals with chronic knee pain, often feeling stiffness, swelling, or aching without obvious red flags. Natural remedies and lifestyle tweaks can bring real relief. Imagine strolling through your day with less discomfort, ready for whatever comes. Here's how to make it happen with practical, science-backed steps you can start today. Build stronger support. Weak muscles around the knee, like quads, hamstrings, or glutes, add stress to joints. Low-impact exercises boost strength and stability. Try straight leg raises, wall squats, or step-ups for 15 minutes daily. A 2018 study in arthritis care and research found strengthening quads can cut knee pain by 20 to 30% in osteoarthritis patients. Add a resistance band for extra challenge, but keep movement slow to stay safe. Do you wonder why some workouts seem to work wonders for knee pain? It's about strengthening without overloading joints. High-impact moves like running can aggravate pain, but low-impact options like cycling or swimming protect cartilage. Try a 10-minute bike ride or pool session 3 times a week. A 2020 study in The Lancet showed 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly boosts joint function and reduces pain by 25%. It's gentle, fun, and lifts your mood too. Lose excess weight. Extra pounds put heavy pressure on your knees. Each pound of body weight adds 4 pounds of force to your knees when walking. Dropping 5 to 10% of body weight can ease knee pain by 30%. Eat balanced meals with more vegetables, lean proteins like fish or tofu, and whole grains. Skip sugary snacks and fried foods. Use a food journal to track portions and stay on point. Imagine moving with less strain, feeling lighter on your feet. Why does losing weight help your knees so much? Extra fat, especially around the belly, increases inflammation, making joint pain worse. Even shedding a few pounds lowers inflammation markers like C-reactive protein. Want an easy start? Swap soda for water and walk 15 minutes daily. It burns calories and builds joint strength, giving your knees some breathing room. Feel the freedom of moving without that extra burden. Keep joints flexible. Stiff knees need gentle motion to stay lubricated. Range of motion exercises like knee circles or seated leg extensions improve flexibility. Do them for 5 to 10 minutes daily, especially in the morning. Regular movement increases synovial fluid, which reduces joint friction by 15%. Use a foam roller to loosen tight muscles around the knee. Why do some people stay flexible while others feel stuck? Sitting too long? Think 6 hours or more daily, tightens joints and raises pain risk by 20%. Set a timer to stand and stretch every hour. Try a yoga pose like a child's pose to open hips and take pressure off knees. Want more health tips like this? The Biohacking Elite community for vibrant living is packed with them. Check the link in the description. Fight inflammation with food. Chronic inflammation drives knee pain, especially in arthritis. Anti-inflammatory foods make a difference. Eat more berries, leafy greens, fatty fish like salmon, and nuts. Cut processed carbs like white bread and sugary drinks. A Mediterranean diet can reduce knee pain by 25% in osteoarthritis patients. Omega-3s, found in fish or flax seeds, reduce inflammation markers by 10 to 15%. Certain foods can make your knees feel worse. Sugar and trans fats spark inflammation, stiffening joints. But whole foods like turmeric or ginger contain curcumin and gingerol, which ease pain. Try this. Add a pinch of turmeric to soups or sip ginger tea daily. A 2019 study in pain medicine found curcumin reduces arthritis pain as effectively as some medications. It's a tasty way to support your knees and overall wellness. Add smart supplements. Some supplements help knee pain when paired with lifestyle changes. Glucosamine and chondroitin, found in cartilage, can reduce osteoarthritis pain by 20%, though results vary. Take 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine and 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin daily, with food. Turmeric supplements with 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin fight inflammation. Vitamin D at 2,000 IU daily supports joint health if you're low. Always check with a doctor before starting supplements. Why do supplements work for some but not others? It's all about consistency and quality. Low-grade supplements or spotty dosing lose impact. High-potency curcumin with black pepper extract boosts absorption by 2,000%. Take supplements with a fish-rich meal to improve uptake. It's a clever way to maximize relief and keep joints moving smoothly. Soothe with heat and cold. Heat relaxes tight muscles, while cold reduces swelling. Apply a warm compress for 15 minutes to loosen stiff knees before exercise. After activity, use a cold pack for 10 minutes to calm inflammation. Alternating heat and cold can cut knee pain by 15 to 20%. Wrap a reusable gel pack in a towel to protect your skin. Feel the relief as your joints loosen up. Why does temperature therapy work so well? It boosts blood flow and tames inflammation, but timing is key. Using cold too long, over 20 minutes, can stiffen joints. Want a quick fix? Keep a gel pack in the freezer and a heating pad nearby. Use them daily to manage discomfort. Balance rest and activity. Overusing sore knees increases pain, but too much rest isn't the answer. Find a middle ground. Elevate your legs for 10 minutes daily to reduce swelling. Wear a knee brace during high-impact tasks to stabilize joints. Proper rest cuts pain flare-ups by 20%. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly to aid tissue repair. For more ways to optimize recovery, the Biohacking Elite community for vibrant living has more tools to offer. Check the link in the description below. Why does rest matter so much? Overworked joints lose lubrication, causing friction and pain. But too much rest weakens muscles, increasing pain risk by 15%. Take a 5-minute leg elevation break after long walks or standing. It improves circulation and eases pressure. 7 proven strategies to relieve knee pain naturally. Start small. Add a short walk, sip ginger tea, or try a cold pack. Your knees are worth it. If this sparked ideas, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more vibrant living health tips.